People say it's quite a way to heaven, many miles beyond a distant star. Now I know that all dogs go to heaven, but until we chase our dreams that far, we will find a little heaven everywhere around us. Find a little heaven everywhere we are.
Ooh, stop it. Ooh, Captain Buckin, I just love your new yacht. Ooh la la.
Oh, shucks, darling. It's just a paper cup compared to my other two, but it works for 10 in the old hide, eh? Oh, Jeeves!
You balked, sir.
2 sodas, my good man.
What? I should go below? Hey, the real owner is down there sleeping right now.
I know, so don't wake him.
Hey, what are you doing in my fridge, you mutt?
No, sounds like the cook's in a bad mood again. Let's go for a little stroll, shall we, my Petunia?
Oui, oui.
Oh, you and your crazy schemes, Z.
Yeah, but Itchy, I had to be a boat captain in order to impress the lady.
Why can't you just be yourself?
'Cause uptown types, see, they don't dig a street mutt. You gotta be a phony to impress a phony. And speaking of uptown girls, there's your girlfriend.
Hi, Bess. It's me.
Hi, guys. Sorry I can't stop. Gotta keep up my pace.
Oh, I'll help you.
How about Saturday night? Instead of our usual date, you and I go to my dog show school reunion.
Me? But I don't know how to act in front of those ritzy show dogs, you know?
Don't act. Just be yourself.
Hey, I can do that. I've had a lot of practice being me. It was... Ow! Oh.
Yeah, maybe too much practice.
Great. See you Saturday.
Wow, isn't that great, Charlie? I don't have to dress up or learn to dance or anything.
Oh, wrongo, my friend. Maybe Bess doesn't care that you're a street mutt, but what about all her snooty friends?
Hey, they're no better than I am. I mean, they got fleas too, don't they?
Yeah, maybe, but show dogs never, ever scratch them in public.
I'm ruined. What if I embarrass Bess in front of her classmates?
Well, you just remember my advice, Itch. Be a phony to impress a phony.
But I don't know how.
Well, hey, you helped me with my date. Now I'm gonna help you with yours.
Itchy. Wow. Is that you?
Yeah, sort of.
And a carriage. Is that pony real?
Nay!
Charlie's sort of helping me look good tonight, you know?
Like I said, Itchy, it's not necessary. But it is sort of fun.
You see? It works. Remember, no flea scratching.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Bess, darling. What a fab party. And it's all because you're the reunion coordinator.
Thanks. It's a ton of work. Sass, this is my date, Itchy.
How do you do?
No, what? Ha, you know, I never. But it was so.
Oh, how charming. Well, must mingle. Hasta la ruff.
See? Nothing to it.
I am as nervous as a mouse at a cat convention.
Relax. In a few minutes, you can help me set up dinner in the kitchen.
Anything to get out of the limelight. Yo! Oh,
Shut up, Itch. Just play along. This'll get you noticed.
but I don't want to be.
Just one more, sir. And then I'll rush these over to Flea Pull magazine.
Well, I never heard of you.
Uh-oh. It's Tiffany, the meanest snob in school.
So, who are you anyway?
I am. I am. Well,
Stop pressuring him, Tiffany.
What's the matter, Bess? Is your date a big nobody? Well?
Oh, there you are, Your Highness. Please forgive my tardiness, sir.
Huh?
Hear ye, hear ye. Please welcome Count Ichmont of Sliveria.
Itchy, you've got to get Charlie to stop this. This isn't funny.
Believe me, I'm not laughing.
Oh, a count, huh? So, what do you do when you're not, counting?
Well, pardon me, but Count Ichmont considers it vulgar to brag. He invented the flea collar.
Well, this is my boyfriend, Jeremy, and he models for Kennel Cosmo, 'cause he has long legs. Ta-ta, sniff you later.
Be a phony to impress a phony, hey?
I know, but you're making me a nervous wreck. Please, Charlie, pack up the circus and go home already.
Ugh, okay. You don't want my help, huh? Fine, I can take a hint.
Now what's Charlie up to?
Don't worry, Bess. I told him no more stunts. Like I'm through, finished, kaput.
I knew you'd do what was right.
Uh-oh, here she comes again.
Bess, you have done a fabulous job putting this reunion together. Isn't it a shame they don't give blue ribbons for the only thing you're good at? That killed me.
Those are fighting words.
Yes, I'd love to show her up. Oh, just once. But she'll probably never change. I have to get dinner out. You coming?
Me, no, I'll just, if you don't mind, I gotta take care of something first. Charlie, ooh, you were right, they are phonies, especially that Tiffany.
Well, I told you so, Your Highness.
You should have seen how mean she was to Bess. Ooh, woof. Charlie, you gotta help me get even with that skunk.
All right! We are back in the phony business.
You know, Tiffany, you were right. I do have short legs. Oh, so short. You know, I wish I had long, beautiful legs. Like you.
Oh, they are beautiful, aren't they?
You bet. Boy, you must be great at hurdle jumping.
Yes, I won the West Hamster Open.
Really? Wow! I bet everyone here would just love to see your form.
Well, if you insist. Now, no stealing my technique, folks.
Gracious, how clumsy of me.
So, it's a battle they want, huh?